MTN 8 semi-final first leg ended in 1-all draw. Not really the results that was expected in terms of the build-up to this game. I mean, Pirates were not doing well in the league, so people probably expected Sundowns to do a walkover. But hey, it wasn't to be. Well done to Mbokazi for holding on to Reyners for throughout the game. But Sundowns should have wrapped up the game in the first half, man. They got a lot of chances. Probably they were just not connecting like they usually do. Probably that injury to Mshishi that did sort of damper their plans. But hey, well done to Orlando Pirates for coming back in the second half. Actually, I have to give it to the coach for introducing Moremi for Van Rooyen, because Pirates needed that width in terms of going forward, and the introduction of Mbule and Apolis did actually help Pirates to actually start to find themselves in the middle and also going forward. Sibele, well done, man.